watcher and subscribers, now we are in the next tutorial of machine learning, and here we will see percentile. So this tutorial is also related with some mathematics calculation. So here we will calculate percentiles. So first we should understand the meaning of this concept. So percentiles, if you are having mathematical background, you can easily understand. So percentiles are used in statistics to give you a number that describe the value that a given percentage of values are lower than. So I will take one example. These are the least of value and we will find here percentile. Suppose I want to find a percentile of 40%. So I will search a particular number. There are total 40% peoples involved, they are younger than this. Okay, so here example is what is the 75 percentile. The answer is 43, meaning that 75 percentage of the people are 43 or younger. Means we will track the values. There 40 here suppose the example is 75%, so we will track the value and that value will be 43. It means that 43 is a number where the whatever the values are there which is less than 43, that involve in a 75% number. Got it? So that is what percentile concept. If you do it manually, it will take a more time, lot of complexity will be there, but by using a Python functions we can easily do it, and there we are in the need of NumPy module. So now here we go in the practical session and we will see how we can get percentile. So here we are in the Python ideally, and our task is what is the age that 50% of people are younger than. So for getting this task, dear student, first you have to add NumPy module. So here I will write import NumPy. And then we have to take the list of values. So I am taking some list of values here in the list. So here I have added some values and then we will calculate the 50% of the people are younger than. So here I will take one variable like p, and then that numpyalize dot percentile we have to use, and in the bracket we have to pass that array and my value is 50%. Got it? Finally we will print this variable. So our code is almost completed and we will check the output. So the number is 7. There we have the 50% of the peoples are younger than. And suppose here you want 90%. Okay, then it's quite easy. You have to just change this number and you will get the answer. If you do calculate manually, it will take a lot of time and your lot of time will consume. So once you change the number, you can get the 90%, the people who are younger. So here the age is 61. Got it? So in this way you can easily calculate the answer by using percentile method in the NumPy, and that is what the machine learning we can easily get. We can easily track the answer from huge data. Also here we have limited data, but if you have the huge data, more number of values, then also we can calculate easily. So that is the benefit of that. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.